Good morning, honey.
Morning.
It's breakfast time.
Yes.
What you making today?
I'm making rava idli with sambar and green coconut chutney.
Okay, what we got over here? Looks like
This is just the rava batter. It's sitting for 30 minutes and then I'll add whatever else needed to put into
we
it.
got some trays already lined up.
Yep. Sambar is done. Hello friends, let's make rava idli. Start off with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let that get hot. Add in a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a 4th teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a half a tablespoon of chana dal. Add in a sprig of curry leaves, a chopped chili, and some chopped ginger. You want to just cook that until it's nice and golden and the ginger smell is no longer strong. Then you'll add in a cup of suji rava or semolina. And you'll nicely mix that in the pan until all the ghee is coated into the rava or the semolina. Just keep stirring until it looks like this. Everything is well combined. And then you'll remove it from the heat, place it in a bowl, and let it cool. Let it cool completely before you add any of your other ingredients. Once that's finished, we're going to add a bunch of chopped coriander leaves. Then we will add some salt to taste and a half of a cup of yogurt. You'll mix this very, very well to where it's well combined. When everything is well combined, that is when you will add a half a cup of water. Nicely mix everything again, making sure it's well combined. And then what we'll do is we'll place a lid on top and let it sit to the side for 30 minutes. In the meantime, go ahead and take some ghee or oil, whatever you're using. I like ghee. Also at this time, you can add some shaved carrots and a cashew. I forgot I didn't have any cashews, so I'm just going to oil my idli pans and set it to the side while we're waiting for the idli to be complete. Then we will go ahead and set our Instapot. I added 1.5 cups of water and put the saute mode on. I like to put the lid on to make the process quicker. So it's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and I put 3 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons first to make sure it's not too runny. And then I see I need the next tablespoon, so I go ahead and add it as well. Nicely combine everything till you get the consistency that you're looking for, not too thick, not too runny, a nice smooth paste. Then we will add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a squeeze of lemon or lime just to activate the soda. Mix again very well. Now you can see it's complete. Let's go ahead and start filling our idli trays like so. One by one, you just repeat the process, as you all probably know. Once we have all of our idli trays complete, we will start setting them up, of course, to get ready to put into our Instapot. Now you can use a regular pot as well. I'm just using Instapot. At this time, I will turn off the saute mode and turn on the steam mode for 10 minutes. I will place them inside, cover the lid, and press the vent. They are now ready to cook. And here they are complete. Now you want to take them out and remove them, nicely set them separated so they can cool. There they are, rava idli. I'm going to serve it with some sambar and green coconut chutney. Enjoy, guys! Alright, breakfast is ready! Yay! Bobby, baby, and daddy. Yay! Who wants to go first?
Okay, go.
Okay. You? Okay, go. Try.
Bite. 1, 2, 3. Dip and bite kar.
No, son.
Okay, this one. Okay. You eat that one.
Okay, hold it.
He's trying.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now bite. Alright, honey, let's try.
Idli time today. Let's see.
Rava idli.
Rava idli, huh? Today different twist.
Yeah.
Twist.
Ooh.
Mmm.
He has a surprising face, guys. Like, it's good.
No, actually it's good. The sambar.
So guys, if you don't have time to ferment, try rava idli.
It is good.
I know you're in the process of already chopping yours to pour your stuff on top, but let's try first.
I look like Iron Man.
Let's try first dipping.
Okay, first this one.
Mm-hmm.
Then the chutney.
Okay.
Like a spoon.
Like a spoon? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh my god, it's so good. 1 million out of 10.
Alright guys, my turn. Let's try some rava idli. Let's do some sambar. Nice tasty sambar. And then let's add some coconut chutney along with it. Tasty. You can taste the ghee and like the ginger and everything. It just tastes really good, guys. You guys have to try. Very tasty. Alright guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye guys.